Fire Inspired. We're here today with our guest, Matt. What are we going to be doing today, Matt?
All right, we got a new recipe we're going to try. So we're going to make some homemade tortillas out here in the oven, all right? So we're going to mix them up here. It's a pretty simple recipe. You got a cup of flour, you got a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking powder, third a cup of olive oil, then a cup of warm water, okay? So we're going to mix that up. We're going to knead it. We're going to let it rest for a little while. Then we're going to divvy it up, cook it on the oven over here. And then the real magic happens. We got a skirt steak. We got it marinated in some citrus flavors. We're going to throw that in the oven. It's going to be a fantastic little meal.
like a satisfied customer then.
So we spent all this time cooking, now we gotta try this, all right? That's where it's at. Fantastic.